I'm Kyle, this is Ask an Engineer, and today we're going to be answering the question, how does drought affect the concrete that surrounds my home? So let me endeavor to help us reach a satisfactory conclusion, shall we? So let's for a moment consider the possibility that these problems have their origins in the floodwaters that were created.
Well, hello, I'm Curtis, and I'm just a regular foundation and concrete expert. But don't worry, I speak engineer. What Kyle means is that when it doesn't rain for a long time, the soil underneath your home's concrete, it dries out. And when that happens, it shrinks, leaving behind empty spaces or voids. And since empty space can't support any weight, let alone the weight of a heavy concrete slab, well, it compresses, and when it does, the slab sinks along with it.
Now, even considering that best case scenario, I bet you hadn't yet considered the tertiary effects that might be contributing to this movement.
Whew, okay, let me translate. When these voids form, it's usually only under part of the slab. And when one part of the slab is supported but the other isn't, well, the whole slab cracks, with the unsupported part sinking into the void below. This is why you'll see cracked, uneven concrete in driveways, sidewalks, patios, and pool decks. And of course, cracked, uneven concrete, it's not just ugly, it's dangerous.
And now that we've started down this path, I know what you must be thinking. What about quaternary effects? I mean, come on everybody, we still have to live in reality.
Well, what Kyle is really saying is that there's a modern, high-tech way to actually raise sunken concrete slabs back up to their original position while compressing the shrunken soil beneath them. This not only re-levels your concrete, it also permanently stabilizes it so it won't sink again. This method is called polyurethane foam injection, and it's done with a product called PolyLevel. Best of all, the entire process can be done in a day or less, and those concrete slabs are ready to hold weight in minutes, not hours or days like waiting for new concrete to cure.
So in summary, when you consider all the contributing factors, the conclusions are obvious. This really could not have gone any other way.
What my engineer friend means is if your concrete is cracked or sunken because the soil underneath dried out and shrank, don't worry, it can be fixed. A PolyLevel contractor will lift it, level it, and make it safe again. No jackhammers, no pouring new concrete, and no waiting for days for it to dry. Pretty cool, huh? Thanks for watching today's video. Make sure and hit like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions. We'll see you on the next one.